actually science in our own states by the states medical boards.
Yeah.
Basically, not to advance the idea that certain medications can stop this disease. We've been basically told that we should wait in our houses, social distance, wear masks, and wait for a vaccine, and we don't think that's really a good strategy. It leaves too many people dying in the meantime. So we're just trying to move on with that strategy, that we actually have medications that can actually work as we go forward.
What, the ones we saw in Italy, some of the trials with
There's a variety of
malaria, the arthritis.
Ivermectin, hydroxychloroquine, doxycycline, azithromycin, budesonide, even colchicine. There's probably 6 or 7 different drugs that can be repurposed and could be potentially helpful. And I think the biggest challenge is trying to get people out of the way so that if we want to, see, the problem is if I want to prescribe them, they've already said we shouldn't do it. And that's never happened before. So if you and I come in, you have the relationship with me, and you come in and you say, hey, Dr. Urso, I want to get treated for my bronchitis. And all of a sudden they tell me, hey, I can't give you antibiotics. You have to wait until you go home. They go ahead and get pneumonia and come back. Or you've got cancer. No, you need to let it get a little bigger. And that's basically what we're hampered by. And it's not your fault, it's not anybody's fault, but it's what's been pushed down by the FDA.
But as a medical doctor, don't you have the ultimate and final say on anything with your patient?
So you're right. But the FDA has come out with a document that says, like for instance, hydroxychloroquine doesn't work, and in fact it can harm. Which is, and I look at the data, I know the data really well, I've done drug development, it's not true. And unfortunately that's out there in a documented form in a way that's going to let it be hard for me to treat you. If you die from any reason, if I give you this drug, it's basically on me, it's a plaintiff's lawyer's dream.